Satan's soldier here. Also, it used to be called John Knight, but now obviously we changed our name because it sounds better and yeah, people can find me now better on YouTube. A quick shout out to Benita, my American friend, and my little brother. I can't remember your name. Your YouTube name, but anyway. Oh yeah. This week we were doing a cat food challenge. We're probably gonna fuck it up, but we'll give it a go. Let me just open it for you. The cat's getting pissed off because I'm eating its food.
Yummy. Go on, Satan.
Just bear with me, I'm just going to get me water. Because this will be fucking rank and tastes like a fucking Indian flip-flop. Fucking bullshit. Oh, this ain't good.
You're too fat. You too.
Yeah?
Too close, mate. Yeah, that's it. That'll do. Yeah, you're just a little bit too close there. Oh, there's the bucket as well. Oh, ready and waiting.
Here we go. You ready?
Here we go. Go.
Fucking bullshit. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that cat can feel it. Going down that gullet of yours.
Fucking hell.
There's your first bit. There it is. Is that your cat?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the cat. Yeah.
So we end.
Oh, for God's sake. You didn't fail. You didn't fail. I just made you laugh. Sorry.
Wanker.
Keep going. Keep going. That's funny. Oh, shit.
Hands up, I call this one a fail. That's all, folks.
Okay.